Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss regarding one poem, and that is a house, a home. What is the difference between a house and a home? Discuss it with your partner, then read the poem. What is a house? It's a brick and stone, and wood that's hard, some window glass, and perhaps a yard. It's huge and chimneys, and tile floors, and stucco and the roof, and lots of the doors. What is a home? It's loving and family and doing for others. It's brothers and sisters and fathers and mothers. It's unselfish acts and kindly sharing and showing your loved ones you are always caring. It is written by the poet Lauren M. Harley. And what he is going to discuss regarding this poem, he is going to discuss regarding the difference between the house and the home, how the house is built up, and what is the meaning of the home. It is the central theme of this poem, and according to the poet, whatever the particulars are there, he shared, it was a very nice poem. And in this poem, he is going to discuss regarding the difference between the house and the home. What is a house? He is asking the question, and he is ready to give the answer that what is the house. It's a brick and a stone. It's a brick and a stone and wood that's hard and woods that hard. Some window glass and perhaps a yard. Its eaves and the chimneys and the tile floors and stucco and the roof and lots of the doors. He is going to ask a particular one question that how what is the house, and himself only he is giving the answer. The house is the bricks and the stones. Bricks and the stones. Sometimes it is the wood, which is the hard wood, and some windows, glass, and perhaps a yard. Again, its use of the chimneys and the tile floors are also there, and the roof and the lots of the doors. Including these all, whatever the particulars are there, these all are calling as a house. Means what it was, whenever we are going to discuss regarding the house means the stones, bricks, cement, sand, again the walls, again the windows, glass, doors, and always whatever the furniture will be there in the house, these all are called as a house. But what is the house when we are going to discuss regarding the house? It is the structure of the four walls. It is the structure of the four walls with the roof, with the windows and the doors. Windows and the doors. Sometimes it is including the glass, sometimes it is including the tiles also, sometimes it is including the ceiling also. But what the particulars are there, whenever we are going to discuss regarding the house, many particular things which are included in the house, which are the windows, glass, doors, walls, roofs, and many more things which are there in the house. Himself only question was asked by the poet, and himself only he is ready to give the answer. Then again he is asking the same question, that what is the house? These are the house included, these things it is called as house. Then what is the home? Then what is the home? Whenever we are going to discuss regarding the home, the family. The family and the family members which are living in a one roof and under a one roof, and which are taking care of each other, which are look after to each other, which are giving respect to each other, which are giving support to each other, which each and everything they are sharing with each other. These all particular things, it is called as a home. These all particular thing, it is called as a home. First only whenever we are going to discuss regarding the home, we have to think regarding our family and our family members. We have to talk regarding our family and family members and close relationship between that family members. Whenever we are going to discuss regarding the family, all who are living in the family, they all are called as a family members. Yes or no, students? Same only whenever we are going to discuss regarding the family members, it is the poet who is giving the explanation regarding the home, and he is telling that it's loving and family and doing for others, its brothers and sisters and fathers and mothers, it unselfish acts and kindly sharing and showing your loved ones you are always caring. Means it is a loving family who are something whatever they are doing to each other only, they are doing to others for other self only. And brothers and sisters are also there, father and mothers are also there in the family. It is the unselfish act, whatever they are doing in the daily routine life, it is they are not having any expectations from others, from the other family members. Whatever they are doing, it is an unselfish act, means they are not selfish for the act, whatever the action they are doing for the family. And like this only, they are kindly sharing to each and everything with each other, and because of that only it is become an unselfish act for each and everybody who are living in the family. Again, and showing your loved ones you are always caring. It is showing the loved ones respect, care, happiness and sadness and particular things for each other, and because of that only it is the group of members who are living in the family, who are taking care of each other, who are sharing the events with each other, who are celebrating the events with each other, who are giving the support to each other, who are respect to each other. But whatever things they are doing not doing for ourselves only, they are doing for others who are living in the family. And again one particular thing is there, that whatever they are doing, it is always unselfish act. It is always unselfish act. Whatever they are doing, instead of that, they are not having any expectations from other member of the other family members. Always they are taking care of each other, but they are never keeping any hopes from any another person. And like this only, poet himself only, he is asking the question regarding the house and home, and he is only going to give the answer regarding the house and home. Whenever he is going to give the answer of the house and the home, he is only differentiate the house and the home. Whatever the seeing and unseen, suppose we will tell the example of the seeing and unseen things. Whatever the seeing things are there, these all seeing things are included in the house, and whatever the unseen things, means the feelings and memories are there, these feelings and memories are always coming in the mind of the family, or these are coming in the family, and it is called as a home. Because whatever the care, love, respect and the love, like this only the sharing, again the look after, these particular things are there. Only we have to realize these things. We can't see these things, only we will feel these things, and because of that only these all unselfish acts are there. It is called as a family, and this is called as a home. And like this only the poet is going to discuss regarding the difference between the house and the home. The four wall structure, it is called as a house, and the family members who are acting unselfishness, these family members relation, it is called as a family. And these group of family members who are living in the one place, it is called as a home. Got it, students? Okay, thank you.